Hello Transformation, welcome back to another makeup tutorial that I hope you guys do enjoy. This is one of the makeup trends of 2024 that you guys should try out. In this video, I'm just easily showing you guys how to do makeup simply. You don't need a lot of makeup, it's very simple. I'm just applying a little eyeshadow here and there and a little concealer under my eye, and that's about it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to grow on your channel. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. The full content will be coming later on today.